Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to find pyramid ruins in Evony. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the game itself. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and find pyramid ruins in Evony. So pyramid ruins appear on the world map during the treasure hunt event. They spawn randomly and range from level 1 to level 5. With higher levels giving substantially better potential scores. How to find them? Well, check the treasure hunt is active. If it's active, open the event center and look for the treasure hunt event. Pyramids only appear while the event is running. So unfortunately, you cannot do it always, only when it's running. Search the world map, so you can go into the world map and search it there. Use map search for lower levels, of course, also. Use the Pharaoh's treasure map. They can provide the coordinates. I don't have it at the moment, so I cannot, of course, show you how, but if you have it, you can do it there. Search for level 4 or 5 manually. These are much more valuable and competitive. Scan the map simultaneously rather than moving randomly. Community players also commonly recommend bookmaking areas where level 4 and 5 pyramids appear, and check those areas again later. So that's basically that. Prioritize level 4 and especially level 5 pyramids, as I told you, and you're going to be good. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. And I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.